We are at the Farm Food and Discovery Center all morning long, learning about the different commodities and perhaps some of the job opportunities for the young kids out there to think about for later. So Josephine Arma joins us now to tell us a little bit about a career fair that's coming up in about a week's time.
Yes, we're super excited to be a part of the upcoming Grade 5 career fair. That'll explain how kids can do better in agriculture, as well as explore the different career opportunities as well. So we really want to highlight that, where your food comes from, and just focus on the endless possibilities and career opportunities as well.
Mm-hmm. And a grade 5 child might be thinking, what in agriculture could I possibly be doing? But you're here to open up those opportunities and expand their minds.
Yes. There's so many different career opportunities, such as truck driving, accounting, social media consulting. So there's an endless opportunities for students to discover, and we're definitely here to teach them about that here.
Mm-hmm. And at the center, families can book private appointments as well to have a look at the various commodities and educational pieces. So, for instance, chicken's feed.
Yes, so here we have different feeds here that individuals can come and learn about, and it's a great hands-on learning experience as well. We also have different resources here to help explain further where our food comes from.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of resources, you have one in your hand as well. You want to provide as much education as possible. So this booklet is allowing you to do that.
Yes, so we walk students through, different chicken farming facts. We also walk them through the chain industry, so from the hatching egg farm all the way up until the table. So it really just follows the process of where their food comes from, which is really great.
Mm-hmm. And what is your hope with this upcoming career fair? What are some maybe commonly asked questions from the kids?
Right, a lot of questions are very random. Some kids are like, oh, I didn't realize you could do that in the career fair, or I didn't realize that's where chickens grow and come from. And it's just really exciting to see, students get excited about the endless opportunities within the career.
Awesome. Thank you so much.